Hello everyone, welcome to the past paper discussion. We are in fourth question of the series. In this question, we are going to discuss a fraction and simplifying the fraction. So first, the one and only question here is, we have to write 18 out of 30 as a fraction in its simplest form. Right, so the first goal is to make it as a fraction. So out of 30, means you are given 30 chocolates, you're gonna pick 18 out of it. So the total is always in the denominator. So this implies denominator because it's a total. And 18, how much we are considering, that will go to the numerator. So I'm considering out of the 30, the number I'm taking into consideration is 18. So the fraction is, required fraction is out of 30, 18. So 18 by 30. Now writing in the simplest form, there is different way and you might know different techniques. Let me give you the detailed explanation how to make it into the simplest form. So what is simplest form? First of all, numerator and denominator should have highest common factor as 1. If their highest common factor is 1, you can just keep as it is, but it's not. So for this 18 over 30 we are working. Write down the factors of 18 and the factors of 30. So getting into the factors of 18 first. So how we are going to find factors? You can just do this in your rough book. 18 you can express in one table. Every number will come in one table. Then 18 in two table. 2 times 9. 18 will occur in 3 table. 3 times 6. Will 18 occur in 4 table? No. 5 table? Never. 6 table? Yes, of course, 6 times 3. When your pattern repeats, 3 times 6 and 6 times. If it repeats, you can stop there. So you don't need to consider this. And your factors are ready. You just make a kind of a U like this. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Then factors of 30. Same way, let's do this 30. 1 times, of course, it's an even number. So for sure, 30, you can express in 2 tables also. 15. 30, it's 3 times 10. 30 in 4 table, no. 5 table, yes. 5 times 6. And 30 in 6 table, of course, 6 times 5. But it repeats, right? You can stop here. So I'm not going to take this and make a U curve like this. Right. Now let me list it out here. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. So the beauty of this way of finding factors is they will be in order. We won't miss out anything. So that there will be no chance of getting a careless error, right? So highest common factor. They have some common factor. 1 is a common factor. Let me shade it. 1 is a common factor. 2 is a common factor. 3, 6 is a common factor. Common factor means in both the numbers, this some particular number will appear common. Then that's it, right? So these are the common factors, which are 1, 2, 3, 6. And do you remember? So how to simplify the fraction in the utmost simplest form? HCF. HCF means the highest common factor. Yes, I have the list of common factors, and what is the highest there? It's 6. So 6 is that unique number. Now what should I do with that 6? Let me tell you. Once you got the highest common factor, take the fraction we are working, 18 by 30. You need to divide by that highest common factor. So extend this and we're going to divide it by 6. 18 divided by 6 is 3. 30 divided by 6 is 5. If you don't want to do the division, go back to the rough and check. In 18, take the combination of 6. 6 is present there, right? So the core number is 3 that you have to take. And 30, the 6 combination is 5. The core number 3 by 5. So yes, in that way, we can find 13 by 3 by 5. This is the detailed way. But yeah, we have some short tricks too to do this. Let's see how to do that. So same fraction, you can take it as method 2 or alternative method. So I have 18 by 30. Both are even number. For sure, both of them will be divisible by 2. So first thing, I'm going to divide by 2. 18 by 2 is 9. 30 by 2 is 15. Then you can apply some divisibility test. So 9 and 15, in which table they will be common? 9 will come in 3 table. 15 also will come in 3 tables. So you just divide it by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Anyways, I will be getting the same 3 by 5. And in the same thing, so some of you might aware about, okay, 18 and 30, I'm very well sure they come in 6 tables. So directly also you can divide by 6. Without finding factor, highest common factor, you can go with 3 by 5 you will get. So right. So whichever form suits you and helps you, you can just use that. And with this, we come to the conclusion of this question. We're going to meet in the next video with yet another interesting question on this series. Until then, keep learning and keep practicing. Thank you so much for listening.